Well, I consider that my greatest strength is the ability to solve problems using different strategies or ways to work. There appears the gravity because I'm always creating new solutions for the problem or inconvenience that could be present at my workplace. Another capacity that I have is flexibility. I'm able to quickly adapt to new challenges as my workplace. And the last one, I'm focused person. My attention always indirect to one task at a time because I think that every work needs their time to be solved. I got why finally. My weakness and workplace is that I'm self-resting person. I always evaluate my develop and job. I want reflection about my productive but often in demand that I could do more and more and more and in cause is making my feel a strength and be unconsidered watch myself.